chips.
The creatine gummies. No, the ones are way better.
My week off gym.
I think it's needed sometimes. I do feel like I
might even do another one.
Yeah.
No, if I could have done another week off gym.
Yeah.
But then there's parts of the week where you're itching to go, but that just isn't crazy right now.
Gym is like my therapy.
Yeah.
Like mental therapy more than physical.
I feel like KFC. But we'll get Canning Vale tomorrow. Oh, we'll see. Because there's a Samoan shop that's over there.
Oh, really? Or like a supermarket or a food place, yeah. It's about nothing, honey.
Jelly bars.
Gotta grab This is for you. So we just been to the gym, went shopping, a load of meat, and we're gonna slow cook some ribs. Oh, they're done there.
There's 4 snacks to try. Turtle chips, caramel popcorn, turtle chips, sweet corn flavor, crispy noodle bites, pad thai flavor,
I don't know about these. They're like dry noodle balls.
noodle bites red curry flavor.
You open, because I can't open things. Shit. All my nails are broke, so ignore my... I'm gonna fix them later.
Yeah, me too.
Smell first. Interesting. What's it gonna look like?
What's interesting about the smell?
I feel like I need a few. Not as sweet as I thought. It's quite nice. Like the more you eat them.
It tastes like sweet pastry.
It's 8 out of 10. Rated? I would say they're a 7 out of 10 for me.
That was good.
Oh. These are the sweet corn. Now I love sweet corn.
It's a strong sweet corn flavor. It's not as subtle as the caramel. This goes, you know, it's sweet corn.
Yeah.
The first bite's not my favorite.
Not bad. I'm giving these a 5.
3.
Okay. Weird. It's kind of interesting.
It's different. Spicy.
Spicy. Red curry. Don't know if I get them again. Interesting though.
Spicy.
Questionable. That's weird.
Yeah. They're
That's
very
weird.
weird flavors, these ones. My favorite's
my
the
favourite.
caramel popcorn.
Oh, let's rate these.
4.
4 out of 10. 5 out of 10 for me. This is a 3.
4. I say these are, I'm going lower and lower every time because I don't think I'll get these again. So I'll say 5.
I think the chocolate cinnamon's the best because we used to hammer those. Some of them really chunky chocolate in them. And for my British folk, actually Lay's is more European, but prawn cocktail's not a thing in Australia. And this was in the UK aisle. I know what these taste like, but I just wanted to get them. I'd say prawn cocktail is my favourite flavour, Chris. Okay.
Strong smell.
Love it. That's it. Okay, so just got home. I am gonna cook breakfast and then put the ribs on, sort my nails out, and then do a little apartment reset. So busy. water. These are already marinated. Just gonna put half a cup of water in there. Just place these in. This is what they look like in there. Just in case. Okay. Because we want these done in about 4 hours, I'm just gonna set it to high. And now we leave it. Hi, new creatine gummies. How many are you allowed?
4 a day, I think.
Same as before. Whoa! I'll have 2 now and 2 later.
So she picks
Oh, that's
3.
3. Oops. Interesting. I think I prefer the ones we had.
Yeah.
Yeah. The other ones are way better. Also picked up, this is my favorite greens flavor, strawberry margarita. So good. Tried quite a lot of greens and this is by far the best. The others aren't that nice. I'm gonna scratch and win. I'll do that now. Personally love these protein bars, cold pressed, fiber boost. 20 grams of protein, 5 grams of fat, 0.8 grams of carbs. So really good macros. Okay, scratch and win.
How much do you win?
I don't know. Scratch to reveal your free AH Lab product. I won!
Oh, you won the Oxy Shred.
Strawberry kiwi. Is it a pre-workout?
Yeah.
There we go.
I
Woo!
love free stuff.
I'm also going to try this brownie because I've tried the coconut one before. It's my favourite. And look what's opposite. Oh, but it is, what's it called? Krispy Kremes.
It sure is. What is that? Okay. The double original.
Oh, I thought it was, did you think it was a slice?
I thought it was
like a cake.
Yeah, yeah,
I
yeah.
did too. Alright, let's do it like that.
Yeah. That's the Quest bar texture, like rubber. I'm surprised you like that because
I like it. It's Sunday. I think we're just gonna chill. I got a little bit more cleaning left to do, just hoovering and things like that in the bedroom. Just put some. We did our slow cooker ribs yesterday, which were just wow, amazing. And we put chicken thighs in today, like apricot chicken thighs. 4 hours in the slow cooker. I'll probably go for a walk as well. Okay, bye.